Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I hope everyone's doing great. Today we're going to take a quick look at your next possible case. This is the DEEPCOOL MACUBE100. This is not an in-depth review, rather a quick look around the case and how we can build around it. To kick things off, let's talk about the color. Yes, it's green, pastel green, and blue. Not leafy green, but somewhere around mint green. It is also accentuated with light sky blue on the motherboard tray. But the best part of the paint job is that it's not glossy. I like how it's matte. Now, this is a mid-tower case. It is compatible with an ITX or an MATX motherboard. Case dimensions are, you can hit pause for this. Thank you. The front of the case is flat and solid. Mesh panels are present on the side for air intake. Now, with how slim the front panel is, it might look like it's not removable, but it is, using the same method as other cases with removable front panels. Good thing about this panel is that the front I/O cable stays on the main body of the case, which gives you ease of access when you need to do maintenance. Front panel off, fan mounts out. Here you can mount 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans, which also means you can mount either a 240 or a 280mm radiator. The front I/O is at the top of the case. You have a power button, a couple of USB 3.0s, audio ports, and the reset button. No USB-C, but this is a budget case. There is a dust filter that matches the color of the case. Beneath that is the top fan mounts, where you can install a couple of 120 or 140mm fans. Similar to the front mount, it is compatible with a 240 or a 280mm radiator. Also, the parts used with the vents are looking good. Time to open this up so we can check the inner part of the case. To do that, we have to unmount the tempered glass side panel. Very easy because they use strong magnets. Just hold the DEEPCOOL branding on the panel and pull it out. There is a 120mm non-RGB stock fan in the rear exhaust. It's pre-installed. Do take note that you cannot install a 140mm fan on the rear mount. Motherboard tray is blue with pre-installed standoffs. If you use an ITX motherboard, then you can mount a couple of 2.5-inch SSDs. There is a built-in GPU anti-sag bracket, which is adjustable. PCIe slots are removed like this, which makes me a bit sad, but it is what it is. There's a built-in PSU cover, good for cable management. Before we move on to the back of the case, the height limit for an air cooler is 165mm. To the back of the case, the usual, remove the thumb screws, both of them. And here is where you cram all the cables, half an inch of clearance. That's all you have. That isn't much, so your cable management should be on point. This is how you get the power supply in the case as well, and the hard drive tray, which is adjustable. With all that, let's make a quick build. That's it for our quick look at the DEEPCOOL MACUBE100 in green. This M may stand for MATX. Let me know in the comment section. Leave a like if you found this helpful or at least entertaining. Thanks for building a computer with me today. I'll see you in the next one.